Welcome back for another tech unboxing. This is a water bottle by Hidrate. This is a 21-ounce water bottle, and I got it from Amazon. So now let's unbox. People really tend to actually like these unboxings. I guess because when you unbox an item, it's oddly satisfying. Alright, so inside the Amazon package is the Hydrate Steel. This is 21 ounces. It syncs with your apps such as Fitbit, and it also has its own native app. So I'm excited to try this. I'm going to be using this in the gym when I do my workouts. By the way, I might make an updated tech video because I have in recent days updated my workout tech. Okay, we're gonna open this. And slice. This connects via Bluetooth, by the way. I'm sniffling a lot. So I'm not sure what exactly this is, but here, I'm gonna... Oh, this is the micro USB cable, I believe, right? It's a cable of some sort. Oh, this isn't micro USB. This, I guess, uses some magnetic charging, which is actually better for an item like this, because an item like this could actually get wet on the outside, and water and electricity do not exactly mix. Alright. So here you have the spout. I think this lights up. Okay, so something goes in here. Not sure if there's anything else in the box. There's nothing. I believe this is the battery. Huh. Okay. So, it's pretty basic. And of course, you put your water in here. Here's your instructions. Alright, so my first impression is as follows. This is a really nice bottle. It's great to take to the gym. It syncs up with your Fitbit app as well if you have it synced up and all that in the Fitbit app. There's a companion app called the Hidrate app. But yeah, all in all, I think this is a really nice bottle. There's a recalibration process that you have to go through. Charging is in here. I will be doing a review on this in the coming days, so I hope you subscribe for that and press the notification bell and press all. That's if you want to see all the upcoming videos, and you will be the first to know when I upload. And that is it. Excuse me. Hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.